I can't do that. The best I can do is depict a shard of a shadow of a simulacrum of a fraction of a dream of the great Yog-Sothoth. For you could no more ask a quark to depict the cosmos than I, the outer god. You see, Yog-Sothoth knows the gate. Yog-Sothoth is the gate. Yog-Sothoth is the key and the guardian of the gate. The past, the present, even the future, all are one within Yog-Sothoth. Can you even grasp the immensity of such a request? You would ask me to draw both the gate and the key, and the keeper of both the sides. You would ask me to depict the entirety of the mortal plane alongside the dreamlands, for all are one within Yog-Sothoth. Even the infinite void and the outer planes are all as Yog-Sothoth. There is but one thing which is not Yog-Sothoth, and that is the great Daemon Sultan and the nuclear chaos themselves. So, you're basically asking me to draw an outerversal omnipresence. Even for someone who could once dream in the way all mankind could once dream, that's not an easy ask. So I'm gonna have to do some abstractions and creative liberties, okay? And not just for my sake, I don't want any of you guys going insane. Then who would talk to me in the comment section? Who would like the video and subscribe to the channel if they hadn't already? I'm basically saving your sanity here. It's the least you could do. Was that a little much? It felt like a little too much. It was probably a little too much. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. I gotta go duke it out with one of the great race of Yith who are currently hijacking one of my clones.